Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna continue what we started in last episode. We already make array for our skills, and in today's episode we're gonna make it work. Whenever we press the button, we're gonna level up our skill, unlock new skill. Yes, so it's very important that you watch previous video as it's continuation of the last video. Okay, so to start, we're gonna unlock a skill tree. Just to show you, I set up the skills. So if you watch previous video, we know we make the skill array, and now that's the skills we're setting up. So what's important, I'm gonna open skills slot. What's important is when we got a skill, that the name is exactly same as here, because we're gonna compare them later on and make sure that is same. And also, when you go to first skills, make sure they unlock. And only the lock one are the one that comes after. So for now, I got 3. I will add more like outside of the video. For you, you just do your full skill tree. And if you got 20, 30. As I say last video, in future, I will show you how you can make few containers. So for example, for each branch, so it's more organized. But for now, well, let's put everything here. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, we're gonna get skill tree reference, the skill tree itself. So what we have to do is you get the component. I got one already created before, let me delete it. Was testing. We're gonna get skill. No, actually we're gonna get check skill. In last video I didn't tell you, but make sure that this is the pure function. You just check this one, make sure it's a pure, so it look exactly like this. I forgot to do it in last episode, and I done it outside the video. Yeah, just telling you this now. So we have ID, we're getting the ID to compare. That's how we getting skill. We promote variable and we're setting that skill here. So we got the skill here. That's what we're gonna do. Another thing we have to do is we have to change this. So let's open it. What we want to change is the skill. It's gonna be structure, our skill tree. We're gonna get this, and we also want slot. So you're just gonna refer which skill slot we're using. Skill slot. There we go. And that's the 3 things we need. No, one more. No, that'll be it. Okay. And then what we're gonna do, we go back to our slot. As you see, it's wrong, but we're gonna refresh it. Let's refresh, and then slot, just put as itself. Refresh self, and the same Lucia self. And for the skill, we're gonna remove this. We get this one. So basically, whenever we hover on the bottom, it's got the tooltip gonna open the skill information from this actually. So we have to open we have to open our skill tree menu where we got all the logic for that. Okay. So now as you see, we don't need that. We promote this, continue, same as is open. And now it's important we get the reference for that. So basically we're getting reference from the slot. Why is it slot 1, slot 2? Yeah. So yes, we can remove this. I think so. Skill slot. Huh? Where is the slot already? Okay, I don't know why I don't think I got a slot, but let's just leave it at this for me. So yeah, we got reference now for the slot. We got the skill reference. So when we open the tooltip, we're gonna have to change a few things. So first, that's all right. All of this is okay. But what we have to do is we have to get our skill reference. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna break this. As you see, we got this. So we're gonna get name from that. We're gonna get description from our skill data. The next level, current level for 1. For second thing, so what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna open our data, the skill data, and we're gonna add new function. I'm gonna name it get max level. Yes, that's how I'm gonna. Yes, and we're gonna make sure it's pure. And what we want to do is get level. From that we want to keys, and now we want to get length. So basically we're just gonna get, we need to return value. So just get return, and that's gonna be integer for us. But if someone got different kind of leveling, I go like by 1, by 2, by 3, by figure, by percentage, that'll be float, different options. But yeah, connected, that's how we're getting length. So now when we back to skill tree menu, we're gonna get, where is it, max level or max tier, wherever is your preference. We connect here. Okay, that should work. I believe that should work here. Okay, that's all good. Go. Okay, so we got all the tooltip set up. The slot, that's for the future. Okay, we go back to skill slot and let's see if it actually work. It works. As you see, it's changed. So we don't have it set up. Then I'll set it up. Oh, how we got this setup. Oh, I got it set up. That's because some of the things doesn't have text, the empty ones. So basically, if you go here, you see some of them are empty. When I hover over this, it's errors coming that there's no data. Yeah, because I didn't add ID on some of them. Don't add here. Oh, I got the ID, but I didn't add it to the skill array, but that's all right. Okay, that looks fine. So whenever we do this, it works. But next things we want to do, we want to okay, so I thought I didn't record the previous part, but I was recording. I'm back anyway. So to continue, we're gonna do unlock skill. We're gonna get our skill reference. We're gonna break it We're gonna get current level, add 1, and then we're gonna get max. When we get max level, we wanna see if it's less or equal to this, and then we also wanna check if it's unlocked. You add boolean with this both together, boom, it's true, and we can continue. We unlock the skill, change color, band, call that is unlocked. So basically that. But what else we want to do is we want to get the component. Hey, move it a little bit. Boom. And I'm gonna get unlock skill, and we need the ID, and then boom, and then we press. And you see, if you look our tooltip, okay, now something doesn't work. Why this one works? Okay, that something doesn't work. Okay, so first of all, here, when you press on it, it means it's unlocked. So I was doing it wrong. That's why it didn't work on the first skill. So wherever it's not pressed, it's locked. Secondly, I changed the things a little bit. So here in the skill slot, I put skill check, and then from skill check, I'm getting skill. So in the unlock skill, I'm getting skill from the skill check. Something didn't work the other way. But I'm doing this way. But now if you see, boom, 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 we get 3 levels. Or we have no much levels to be honest. Let's put maybe 10 skill points. And as you see, cannot press it because it's locked. You can press this one, and you can only press max 3 times. Same here, and you still cannot press it because we didn't add unlock function for it yet, which we're gonna do in next episode. But for now, yeah, we got only this function. So that would be it. As I say, in next episode, we're gonna make that it's unlock second episode, a second skill, so you can press it and unlock it, and then another one, and then also in another episode after that, we're gonna do that you can reset the skill, and that will be it. Comment with any ideas or how we can improve that skill tree, something that we can do better. Subscribe to see the next videos that I'm adding, and like if you like video, I appreciate you like it. Yeah, I'll see you next time.